Basically, it just says, thank you for choosing Razer. Thank you for giving us your money. Then it's the Razer Blade 15 manual, as well as stickers. Oh my God, stickers. Just in case you actually still want to put these on your laptop and let everybody know that you're single. Forum. How you doing? How you be? Top to the AB. And today we have a special unboxing. This is my first big boy laptop. I've had little boy laptops like the ThinkPad X1 tablet or like the Surface anything. It's literally anything with a Surface in the name. This is a big boy laptop with a big boy price coming in at around $3,000. They do have a model that's a little bit higher than this one that is an i9-12800H with a 3080 Ti, but typically the i7-12800H as well as the 3070 Ti can be relatively comparable to that of an i9-12800H as well as the 3080 Ti. It just kind of depends on how much wattage you give it. The more power you give it, the better, but I wanted it to be a little bit quieter, so we'll see exactly how this goes. So this is the Razer Blade 15-inch advanced model. It's the one that came out in 2022 early, so around the spring area is when this guy came out, and we're going to do an unboxing and overview of this guy and take a look at my first laptop. I'm so excited. So specs right out of it, it does have the 3070 Ti mobile, 8 gigs of RAM. Go ahead and unbox this and take a look. Okay, it opens this way. So we're just gonna do it like this. That way you can actually see the reveal, and even though I can't, that's actually really pretty. So let's flip this around here. So basically it just talks about a lot about helping out the environment, go green with Razer, are committed to sustainability, and say basically all of this is biodegradable. Cool job, Razer. If only your software was biodegradable. No, I'm joking. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this guy here, and this is pretty much all it comes with. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and take out these materials, and I learned from my previous one that I need to look at everything. So here, let me move this off to the side here, and let's see if there's anything underneath just before I close this guy out, because I don't want to be that guy again that forgets like half. Okay, there's nothing else in here, so just making sure. So this is pretty bare bones. It doesn't really come with a whole lot. So if we move this off to the side here and put that there, and take a look at the laptop. So this is pretty much how it comes. Let's go ahead and open that out. I don't even want to talk. That sounds so amazing. Alrighty, put this here. Oh wow. Okay, so right off the bat, this feels very good in the hands. It's heavy, but it is heavy in the way that the MacBook Pro is heavy. Just from my initial impressions, it's about the same amount of weight as the MacBook Pro, even though it feels slightly thinner. I don't believe that it is. I think they're on par with each other in terms of thickness. If we look here, you see a Kensington lock, HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. This is a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 40 gigabits per second with 15 watts of power charging. I thought this was an SD card slot, but I couldn't tell. It didn't show it on the website, but that looks like an SD card reader, which is excellent because that's the only reason why I bought it. And then on this side here, we have the adapter for the plug for the power, the 2 more USB-A ports, as well as 1 more USB-C and a microphone headphone combo jack. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and take a look. Oh my God, this thing is fancy. Okay, and it is hard to open on the first initial. Okay, so that's really nice and really, really wide. See, I'll show you. So this is an iPhone, and this is how wide it is. So basically, it's essentially about 2.5 iPhones in length. So just to cover that entire screen size. Now this is a 240 hertz panel, 2560 by 1440, somewhere around there. So basically it's QHD with 240 hertz. Now, whether or not it can hit 240 hertz is another story entirely. That's one of the things that I'm going to test later on. Comes with 16 gigs of RAM on this particular model. Of course, the 16 gigs of RAM as well as the 1 terabyte NVMe SSD can both be upgraded. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this on and see exactly what it looks like. So me personally, I don't really like making a whole lot of big purchases unless it's absolutely time to, you know, when it comes to like, especially like laptops. I've been holding off because me personally, my thing is I prefer mini ITX cases that are portable. Something that I can take in like a backpack that is a full-size desktop with a full-size GPU, because then I can guarantee that depending on what shooter I play, I can play it at the maximum settings with the maximum refresh rate. And that has always been my problem. Most games that I play, I usually like to play them at the max settings or max refresh rate. So I think we're starting to get to a point where laptops can actually hit that refresh rate, or at least get relatively close to it, whether or not be at 2K 240 hertz, of course, but at least at 1080p 240 hertz. If it can hit something like that, that's actually pretty good too. So you know, if you can get into a situation where you can have over 240 hertz of refresh rate in a shooter, then you may just need only a laptop and call it a day. However, I also have the Razer eGPU, the Razer Core, and we can try this guy with the Razer Core at 3070 Ti, real 3070 Ti versus a not real 3070 Ti, the mobile version, and see which one is the actual strongest. It'll be interesting to see exactly which one is stronger whenever you compare it to the 40 gigabit per second throughput going into the eGPU and then coming back to the laptop versus having an external monitor versus this laptop. Lots of videos planned, but that's gonna be one of them. So I tried to power this on, it told me no. I guess let's try that again here. All right, while this guy is booting up, let's actually take a look at what comes in the little pouch. It better be some stickers, because Razer without stickers is not Razer. So basically it just says, thank you for choosing Razer, thank you for giving us your money. Then it's the Razer Blade 15 manual, as well as stickers. Oh my God, stickers. Just in case you actually still want to put these on your laptop and let everybody know that you're single. As well as a cleaning cloth, which is actually a pretty nice touch. So nice cleaning cloth, I'll probably keep that. That's actually really, really useful. And there will be more to come on the actual review, but overall, this is an excellent product. I definitely recommend it. Just from me doing the unboxing and everything, this thing is really, really cool. But I have a lot more to say about this guy in the actual review. And that's gonna do it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit a like button. If you really like it, go and subscribe. I love you either way. Take care, all the best, and bye.